everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you a little kitchen clean inspiration with me. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I clean my kitchen. Now this is not typically how my kitchen looks. I usually clean it every day in the evening after dinner, but I just had a really busy week this week and just let things pile up. So let's jump right on into it and let me take you along as we get this kitchen clean. One of the first things I like to do is empty the dishwasher. That kind of is the thing that makes things pile up if it's not taken care of once a day or every other day. So I have to get that dishwasher unpacked so I can reload it up, and that's going to get me off to a really good start with cleaning the kitchen. So yeah guys, if this is your first time joining me, welcome to the community. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to join us and hit that bell alert so you'll be notified of when my next video is. The next thing I do after I get the dishwasher emptied out is I start with the countertops and basically go through and put away things that were left out. So here I am putting away the mixer, blender, and getting that tucked away and putting away some other food items and things like that, as you saw earlier. I also have to go in and kind of collect those things that need to be moved over closer to the sink, that need to be washed. So I just have clear counter space, and it's just a way to prepare it to be cleaned once the dishes are all done. So the next task is just jumping right in and pre-rinsing everything and loading that dishwasher up. And once the dishwasher's loaded up, it really makes the kitchen look much better, and I'm able to just hand wash the other things. My dishwasher is always full of kids' plates and cups and everything. Does y'all's dishwasher look like this if you have kids? Very colorful. I just use Cascade in my dishwasher, and that's actually a Kirkland's brand dishwasher soap, and then I love to use Dawn just for hand washing the dishes that I have left over. Typically they are knives. I like to hand wash my knives and pots and pans, and so it just keeps them looking nicer. And there goes all my knives there. Now after I wash my pots and pans, I typically will dry them and put them away pretty immediately, especially my stainless steel ones, just because it reduces the water spots that could dry on them. And so it's good to just rinse it in warm water and dry it and just kind of set it aside so you can put it away and not let it drip dry like I do some of the things that I've been putting over to the side. I also find that hand washing my pots and pans just gets them so much cleaner than the dishwasher. Okay, wow, look, I got it all done, and just gonna start putting things away that are left that need to be put away. The dishwasher still runs. It runs for about an hour, and actually guys, my little girl came and got those cups. I have no idea where she took them to. I had to clear a couple of my personal things off the counter there so I can get everything wiped down. And this is actually some deep cleaning that I did, so I'm actually going to go in and deep clean my stove top there. And I don't know if you guys have the iron and stainless steel, but you know you really have to like work to get those fingerprints and spots off of it. And so I had to go over this like 3 different times just to clean it, and then to wipe down like the cleaner off of it, and then to go back and polish it afterwards, so it just looks really nice and clean. Cleaner that I'm using is, I believe it's Mrs. Meyer's basil scent. It's a really lovely scent. I really enjoyed it. I wasn't sure that I would like it at first, but it's very relaxing and kind of just a soothing smell, and it just really makes my kitchen smell really fresh after I'm done cleaning with it. So I like to go in and give my sinks a really deep scrub, and like I said, I usually do this every day after I finish dinner and I'm cleaning the kitchen up for the day. So I definitely need to give it a good deep scrub this day because you know, I hadn't done the dishes in a good week, so I wanted to make sure that I got really clean, as well as wipe the grease off of my vent fan hood above my stove, and to go back and get fingerprints off of my stainless steel appliances. And I actually use the Wyman stainless steel polish and sometimes the wipes, and it just does a phenomenal job of polishing up all of my stainless steel appliances. So I had to give the table a good clean and hit the floors, of course, around the table, and then I went back and steam mopped my floors after I was done sweeping, just because I wanted to give my kitchen a really good clean. And then I put on a little bit of Scentsy aroma just to enhance the smell of cleanliness in the area. And there my kitchen is. I got it clean, guys. You know, waiting the whole week, it took me about an hour and a half to get everything cleaned here. But it's so nice to have a clean kitchen. And I hope this video was a little bit of inspiration for you to do a little deep clean in your kitchen. Thanks again, guys, so much for watching. And please join my community by clicking the subscribe button for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye.